Hello guys, welcome to part 7 of chat application series. In this series we want to use our images when we on our chat room index page. If I show you the index page of chat room, let me quickly go to the Google Chrome, and I want to show the logged in the user image who has posted this comment. Likewise, I want to add the user image over here instead of username here, username, and here. If there is some image, I want to show the user image over here, and here as well. For new, the logged in user image must show over here, because we know that the logged in user can post the comment over here. So to do that, first of all we want to store the image URL of logged in user. Now guess when we can store the logged in user image URL? Yes, I think you have thought a bit, and let me show you how I did it. So I have done something here. I want to show you. I just wrote this line of code over here. Likewise, if the way I stored the user ID in session variable, likewise I made another session variable when the user is successfully being logged in. So when the user is being successfully logging in, I am saving the image URL as well. So I am finding the logged in user image URL, and I am saving that image URL over here. So now I can use this image URL session variable inside that index section method. So I have also wrote these 3 lines of codes over here. What I am doing here, if session image URL dot toString dot length is greater than 0, that means if the logged in user has saved some image, in other words, if the user has the image URL available in database, then I am going to display that image, and I am specifying its height as 64 pixels only, a small image. And if this is false, we can say else here, and if that is false, we can show some default image over here. So to show some default image, I have some default image over here, and if I rename it to default, I refresh it. Where is that? This is default image. I copy and paste that image inside this profile images folder. I'm very sorry. So what can we do? If I show you the actual path of the saved images, if I show you the physical location, we have these 2 images with user ID with 2 and 3. Now we have default images. If some user has not got any image, we want to show this image for that user. So let me show the URL for these 2 images in the database. To show that, let me show table data of users, and let me expand it. So how the 2.png is getting the image URL? Profile images slash 2.jpg slash 3.jpg. So if I copy one path from here, and before I copy that, I paste it here. What I am doing, I am replacing the image URL over here. if the logged in user does not have saved any image so far, I want to show the default image. So for that I just pass that image URL over here, default image URL, that is I copied it, or I may directly drag and drop this image somewhere here, and I just copy the path of this images. I just copy the path, I delete this tag, I deleted it, and I pass it here. So now if I run the project, let me see what happens. So it is going to redirect to chat room/index. I log into admin2 user did not have any image so far. So let me log in. The image is showing up here. We need to style it to come up somewhere here, and let me show you that user2 does not have any image URL. This is admin2 do not have any image URL, and if any user does not have any URL, we want to display this default image for that user. So we want to bring this user over here. So before I do that, I want to clear you something like here. Guys, if you notice one thing from here, I have put one class over here, pullRight, and for this one I have again put one class, pullRight. So is it not better I delete these two pullRights from here? I altogether remove these two pullRights, and I wrap all this stuff inside some span tag, and I pull that span to right, span here, and I wrap this all code inside this span, and I just add a class here, pullRight. And now if I refresh the page, there is some error, null or empty, add session, oh sorry, we need to use add the right sign. Okay, now if I run the project, you can now see that all the things are now here, but here is some gap over here before post comment button. So before post comment, let me delete two breaks from here. Now I again run the project. Now it's okay. So to bring this picture over here, let me do something here. If I want to bring that picture along with this input type, I need to wrap this in some span. Let me check if it works or not. I close it after this, after here. If now I run it, it is again over there. So for now, let me leave it here, and let me show if the, let me log out this user, and I log out to some user who has already saved some picture, admin, and now you can see that that picture is displaying up here. Now we want to replace these texts. If Yasir Bilal has some image, I want to save, I want to show that image over here. If it is, this person does not have any image, I want to show the default image. So let me do that quickly. Likewise, I copy this code, I copied it, and I go to the reply section, and because this is the username, I want to display something before this username, that image. So I pasted that image URL. Now we do not use the session variable because replies does contain the user object. So let me use that reply variable over here. Let me first check what is the variable name. Sorry, this is comment. Let me control Z. I am here. I must use something like here. Before I use it for okay, who did edit the comment? Okay, for every comment I need also to pass the picture and then for replies. So let me quickly do it for comment. I remove the username, and before I remove the username, I take some span over here and I paste that code over here, and for current comment I want the if comment dot image dot user dot image URL is dot length, if that is greater than 0, then we want to show the actual image URL from, or actual image that is saved to the database, that is comment dot user dot image URL. And if that is not saved in that database, we want to show the default image. So let me save it and run the project. Now let me check. Now every user is being posted over here. So this user does not have any image URL, that is why it is default image here. Now I want to bring this image alongside these comments. So let me do something here. So we need to now remove the usernames of comments. I removed it, I save it, I now refresh page. Now you can see that I do not have that username, I do not need it anymore. So let me pull it right, class pull right. Let me show you something. So it is coming up here. Let me style it now. Or what can we do? We can attach it inside this comment text. So if I cut this span tag and I use inside this span tag, now let me check how it's working. It's again working like same. So let me do something. Add a class text center. Now if I check it, again it's not coming. So let me give it some margin now. Style margin left 200 pixel. Now if I run it, it's not coming. Again I just cut it and paste over here, and now if I run this one, there again over here. So let me update this admin the replies images as well. So let me add the replies images instead of it is margin right 15 pixel, font size 16 pixel and dark blue. Let me add that over here. Now because it is for replies, let me change it for reply dot user dot image URL and reply dot user dot image URL, and again if I run it. Now guys, we have successfully added the replies images and comments images, but these images are now somewhat scattered. They are not correctly adjusting alongside these comments and the replies, but they are the original images. So I try to adjust them in this tutorial. If they are not adjusting, we will make it pending for our next tutorial. So let me again try something here. What we did over here, margin left 200 pixel for main comment, and for this margin left 200 pixel again. Where is that? Span margin left minus so one solution can be that we can pull this text and these text boxes and this one over here. So can we do that quickly? We can say here, do not make it text center. Let me check it. So now it is bit okay that this person added this comment, and now someone can add some reply. Added comment, added reply. So if I bring this text over here, let me check what happens. Close other tabs. One thing that we can do here, I'm going back, Control Z. We must make it more smaller. This image must be more smaller. I make it 45 pixel and 45 pixel project, and now it is somewhat clearer now. Might be in the next video I will be adjusting these things, but for now you must understand that we have added these pictures as well. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Stay tuned, give some suggestions if you have in comment section below, and have a great day.